Imagine a tiny invader, a bacterium so small you can't even see it. This microscopic organism is all around us, lurking in places we can't even imagine. It's so tiny that it can easily go unnoticed, but don't be fooled by its size. This bacterium just landed on your skin. It might have come from a doorknob, a handshake, or even the air around you. You can't see it, but it's looking for a way in. It's searching for any tiny opening, a weak spot in your skin's defenses. Suddenly, you get a small cut. Ouch! It could be from a paper cut, a scrape, or even a tiny prick from a thorn. This is the perfect opportunity for the bacterium. It sees the cut as an open door, a chance to invade. It squeezes through the break in your skin. This tiny invader is now inside your body, ready to cause trouble. Now the invasion has begun. The bacterium starts to multiply, creating more of its kind. The bacterium is now inside your body. It's a dangerous world in there, full of challenges and defenses. It's a dangerous world in there. But don't worry, your body is not defenseless. Your body has ways to defend itself. It has an amazing system designed to protect you from these tiny invaders. It has an amazing system called the immune system. This system is always on the lookout for invaders. This system is made up of special cells that work together to fight off invaders like our tiny bacterium. These cells are like soldiers, ready to defend your body at a moment's notice. Let's learn how it works. Understanding your immune system can help you appreciate the incredible ways your body protects you every day. The first line of defense are cells called macrophages. Think of macrophages as guards patrolling your body. They are always on the lookout for anything suspicious. When the bacterium enters the cut, it doesn't go unnoticed. A macrophage spots the invader. The macrophage recognizes the bacterium as a threat. It knows just what to do next. The macrophage reaches out with its long arms and grabs the bacterium. Then it pulls the bacterium into itself and destroys it completely. This process is called phagocytosis, which is a big word, but it's how your body gets rid of harmful things. Sometimes the invasion is too big for macrophages to handle alone. They need to call for reinforcements immediately. That's where dendritic cells come in. These cells are like the messengers of the immune system. They gather information about the invaders and carry it to other parts of the immune system. Dendritic cells take a piece of the bacterium called an antigen. Think of an antigen like a wanted poster for the invader. The dendritic cell then travels to a place called a lymph node. Lymph nodes are like meeting points for immune cells. Here, the real fight truly begins. Section 4. The adaptive immune response. At the lymph node, the dendritic cell shows the antigen to special cells called T cells. This is a crucial step in the immune response as it helps the body recognize and remember the invader. The dendritic cell acts like a messenger, carrying information about the pathogen to the T cells. There are two main types of T cells, helper T cells and killer T cells. Each type has a unique role in defending the body. Helper T cells coordinate the immune response, while killer T cells directly attack infected cells. Helper T cells are like the generals of the immune system. They don't fight directly, but instead strategize and direct other cells to the site of infection. They ensure that the immune response is effective and targeted. When a helper T cell sees the antigen, it gets activated. This activation is like an alarm bell ringing, signaling that the body needs to prepare for defense. The helper T cell then multiplies and starts its mission. It starts sending out signals to other immune cells, telling them to get ready for battle. These signals are chemical messengers called cytokines, which help coordinate the immune response. One of the cells it calls upon is the killer T cell. And these cells are the frontline warriors, ready to engage and destroy the enemy. Killer T cells are like the soldiers of the immune system. They are trained to find and destroy cells infected with the bacterium. Their mission is to eliminate the threat and protect the body from harm. They are trained to find and destroy cells infected with the bacterium. Once they identify an infected cell, they release toxic substances to kill it, ensuring the infection doesn't spread further. Section 5. A lasting defense. While the helper T cells and killer T cells are fighting off the infection, another type of immune cell joins the battle: B cells. These cells are crucial in the immune response, acting as the body's defense mechanism against pathogens. B cells are like the weapons factories of the immune system. They are responsible for producing antibodies, which are essential in neutralizing harmful invaders. They produce special proteins called antibodies. These antibodies are specifically designed to recognize and bind to antigens on the surface of pathogens. Antibodies are designed to target the specific bacterium that's causing the infection. Once attached, they mark the pathogen for destruction. They attach to the bacterium, making it easier for macrophages and killer T cells to destroy it. This process is vital for clearing the infection from the body. Antibodies also prevent the bacterium from infecting other cells. By neutralizing the pathogen, they stop the spread of infection. The immune system is amazing. It has multiple layers of defense, each playing a unique role in protecting the body. It works tirelessly to keep us healthy. From the moment a pathogen enters the body, the immune system is on high alert, ready to respond. So next time you get a cut, remember the incredible battle taking place inside you. Your immune system is always at work, ensuring your well-being.